Welcome back. In this short video, I will going to explain the ICT Entry Module 1 PDR, the Premium Discount Ray. Let's get started. So in this ICT Entry Module, what we have to see, for example, if price are moving downside, the price rate the recent swing low and then its market structure shift with displacement to the upside, then we have to take entry or we have to plan our entry module. So basically what we do that we will mark out our Ghana box or our Fibonacci retracement tool. We will mark from bottom to the top of that move once the swing point is occur, and then we have only take buy entry or sell entry on premium or discount level. How that's work I will show you in the chart. Just first example, first learn from this diagram. Okay, so what we have to do here, just moment, I'll show you a rate of a swing low, market structure shape with displacement, then came back and then to the upside. Okay, so why should I take entry or where should I take entry? So I will use my Ghana box and I have only setting here. Okay, the ICT setting 0.5, 0 and 1, only that. Okay, so I only took entry for a buy to the discount area. Remember that the below of the 0.5 is a discount where you should buy or you should plan for entry. Okay, for to the upside liquidity area. And if you are sell, if you want to sell, you should not buy on a premium area. Okay, premium basically for sell and discount for a buy. Remember that point. Okay, so let me show you the example. For example, and we will only, remember my point, we will only trade on kill zone hour. It can be a London, it can be a New York, as per your pair. Okay, doesn't mean if you are doing a Nasdaq or US 30, okay, US pair on London session or Asian session, you will not find that much liquidity. Okay, if there is no volume, no liquidity, then you should avoid that market. They have because sometimes you choose a wrong session for your trade. Okay, so choose a right pair and then on a right session. Okay, so Euro USD, okay, because Euro is a for London as well, so this is the London time frame. We have a New York UTC -5 here. Okay, so these are 2 o'clock and this is a 3 o'clock opening. Price come back to the fair value gap. What happened here actually, as you see, price took out the liquidity here. Okay, and then aggressively market structure shift to the upside. Okay, so we have, as you see, many fair value gap, 1, 2 here as well. Okay, and many other confluences. Okay, I will make video also the A+ checklist for the ICT. So what we have to do, we will only buy on a 50. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find out below the 50 what we have. Below the 50 we have a fair value gap here, first confluences. Second confluences, it can be a breaker block, it can be order block, it can be a anything. Okay, so the point is that we should only plan our entry below 0.5. Once you start doing that, I guarantee you the losing trade will be decrease and winning trade will be increase. Because sometime what happen, I will show you. Sometime what happen, price wins reach to the upside. Okay, and we have also seen here, as you see, here is also a fair value gap. So people or person, consider me as well, we will take aggressive entry from here. Okay, so where we put our stop loss to the downside. For example, we take entry from this fair value gap, where we put our here. Okay, or here, but many times we step out. And why we are here, this is a premium area, we should not trade here. Okay, first of all, this is our swing high, because the first candle, third candle did not break, so you can make like this as well. Okay, after make, you have to wait this much time that price should come to your area, your criteria will be met, and then you will going to trade. Many times you miss the trade, many times you goes wrong, but don't worry, stick with your plan and that will be okay. Okay, and many times one thing also happened that you missed the trades. Like here, price did not come to our premium area and still going downside. Okay, so it doesn't mean that this thing will not work, but the everything have a probability. Okay, so these things have also 50 to 60% probability if you stick with the risk reward. Okay, it's not random that you buy a prop firm with $10,000 and you risking 3-4% here with a random buy and sell click. Doesn't happen. Okay, so stick with your plan. Like in GBP USD on 17 November, okay, our London is open. Okay, before London there was a news game and you see price take out. There should be a something higher time frame PD raise here. Okay, and then what happened? We want to enter. So where should we enter? Here is the market structure shift. Okay, with displacement, because here is the displacement, here is no displacement. You see is the wick does not consider anything. So here is the displacement move, and here is the swing point that happened, and we have only trade to the downside of 0.5 in the discount area. Okay, so which point, which fair value gap, on the next coming videos you will see another entry model. So the first one is premium and discount. So hope you learned something. If you like this video or you think something change on your view, so make sure you subscribe our channel, join our Telegram as well, where I give a free signal. Okay, no mentorship or no anything, everything is free. Best of luck.